Here's a reasonably quick tutorial on how I animated an idea of terraforming Mars. And I come up with, using ChatGPT, come up with some image ideas, some slides which I'm going to animate, and come up with a little script I asked for. There it is, it transforming in 60 seconds or less, probably a lot less. Come up with a master narration there. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is copy this script that GPT made. So copy that text, put it into this other program called Artsly, and I'm in the script to storyboard, and I'm going to click create new story, and I'm going to paste in that text I copied from ChatGPT, and I'm going to make the format 16 by 9, and I'm going to pick a style, and there are many styles to pick from. So I'm going to choose this one here, click create story. So now I need to copy these and import them into Video Express. Load as a zip file, which I will then open up, and into Video Express where all the magic happens. Image to prompt is the selection I use, so I need to import those images into a folder as Mars 2. Now I've got to find that folder I just created. There it is, and I'm going to upload those images I created. There they are. Select them all, open, click upload files. As you can see, they're loading. Okay, now it's time for me to pick my first image. Is the top left one here. Grab my prompt, my video action prompt. Copy that. Go back to Video Express, put it in, paste it in there, and I'm going to click 3D, and I'm going to click Create Video. So while that's happening in the background, now for the second image, I'll copy the video action prompt. There it is there. Paste in the prompt for the second image, make it a 3D, and create the video. Onto the third image, copy the video action, go back to Video Express, choose my image I've already uploaded, just that one, paste in the video prompt, choose 3D, click Create Video. And the next image, same thing again, video action prompt. As you can see, it's pretty quick to do, really. Choose my third image. Paste in the prompt, choose 3D, click Create Video. Now I do this for the rest of them, so It won't make you sit through all of them, and we'll just skip ahead now. I've sped this up to 10 times the speed to get through it really quickly. It's fun to watch, isn't it? Wish I could work this fast, really. But we're nearly done. About another 5 seconds to go, and I would have completed all the slides. Now that I've made all the images, I can drag them onto this video editor timeline within Video Express 2. Don't worry about the gaps, I'm going to move everything up in a minute, I'm just getting them all there. You can actually preview the video there by right-clicking on it. But see, it's still making a few more to go here yet. So let's just shuffle all this up, have a quick look at what's going on, what we've made already. That's pretty cool. And of course you can shorten these up, crop them, redo them, redesign them. And let's just pause for a moment, I think, and we'll wait for these other ones to come up. Okay, so now they've all been made, so I'll just drag the rest of them in on the timeline. And the very last frame, video. Let's go from there, looks pretty cool. Mars has been terraformed. We have civilization. And we have a go with a kite. Now I'm going to redo that one because the kite looked a bit funny jiggling up and down. I'm going to leave it as it is. And I'm going to create the video. We'll see how that one comes out. Whoop, that is right there. So we're going to replace that one with this one. So I'll right click, delete, drag that one, put that in there. And we'll just wait for the girl with the kite to be made. Okay, let's have a look at that one. Yes, the kite is a lot smoother, not jiggling around, so I will use that one. Drag that to the timeline. I'll get rid of the other one. So see, it was jiggling there. This one's a lot smoother. So I'll right click on that first one, delete it, and I'll click that button over there to move it across so it all lines up. From the top. Okay, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4. They're going sideways, but who cares? Slide 5, the rocket. Slide 6 is the one we redid with the girl with the umbrella. There's wind inside those little covers. Slide 8, 9, 10. I think I've got the numbers right. And slide, oh, I obviously missed a number somewhere. I miscounted. And slide 12, which is go with the kite. So now on to the next step. voiceover created with Twinkle, which is another software program I use. Okay, I've opened it up here in my browser, and I'm just going to look for some music, and we'll also be able to create some AI voiceover as well. So let's have a look here. Have a listen to that. So I've chosen this one, and I'm going to download it and then upload it to Video Express into a folder I created. I'll get there. Where is it? There it is, the Mars folder. Upload a file. I'm going to upload the audio file, which is in my downloads folder. Uploading now. Won't take long. The track's like actually too long for the video, but you can always add more video or shorten the audio track. I just decided to go with it instead of mucking around too much, just to show you how it works. So I've dragged onto the timeline there. It's going to cut off, but I'll show you what I do in a second. So let's just have a listen to that. Okay. Now let's just grab the narration. I'm going to try a few different things here. I mean, that should fit the whole length, but I'm going to just experiment about. Back to Twinkle here, and I'm going to go to the voice narration, and I'm going to choose.
Enter your text or script here. Enter your text or script here.
Okay, what I actually have to do is click Generate Preview, and that will create a preview of the text. Okay, I don't know if you're able to hear it.
Mars,
yes, you will.
cold, thin-aired, and waiting.
Play.
Step 1. Heated. Giant mirrors focus sunlight to wake the ice. CO and water begin to flow, thickening the air. Machines pump greenhouse gases, an engineered spring. Imported ice and ammonia seed.
Now I could have used that, but let's just try and make it a bit better and more flowing. So I'm typing in the ChatGPT, make it more exciting and dramatic. So we'll do that, and so it's doing that. So we'll just copy this again. This will probably fit, but we'll just have a look. Twinkle. Get rid of that. Paste that in. Click Generate Preview, and I'll just stick with Charles there. Play.
Mars, frozen, airless, silent. A world on the edge of possibility. Step 1. Ignite the ice. Titan mirrors catch the sun. Lances of light shatter the cold. The poles awaken. CO erupts. Water flows. An atmosphere is born. Engines roar on the red plains. Colossal machines exhale fire, forging an engineered spring. Then, the sky falls. Comets crash in flame, seeding oceans, clouds.
Yeah, not really keen on that. So go back to ChatGPT. ask for something else. I just want to say, yeah, make it flow better. Yeah, like it's a story. Let's see how this one comes out. So copy that again. Go back to, yes, it's over on the right hand side. Delete that, paste it in, generate, play.
Mars, once a frozen desert, silent beneath a thin veil of air. For billions of years it waited, cold, empty, lifeless. But humanity dared to dream. We turned the sun itself into our tool, unfurling mirrors in orbit, casting blazing light onto the ancient ice. The poles trembled, then cracked. Gases long trapped beneath frozen caps burst free. Mars, once a frozen desert, silent beneath a thin veil of air. For billions of years it waited, cold, empty, lifeless.
Yeah, I'm good with that. So we'll download that. Go back to Video Express. Upload the new audio speech. I'll create another track above to put the audio track. As you can see, it is way longer than what video I've got. That's okay. For this purpose of the video, I'll just trim it off and just show you.
Mars, once a frozen desert, silent beneath a thin veil of air. For billions of years it waited, cold, empty, lifeless. But humanity dared to dream. We turned the sun itself into our tool, unfurling mirrors in orbit, casting blazing light onto the ancient ice. The poles trembled, then cracked. Gases long trapped beneath frozen caps burst free. Carbon dioxide thickened the air, and water trickled across red stone for the first time in eons. We built machines to breathe for the planet, vast engines roaring across the plains, pouring greenhouse fire into the sky. Still, it was not enough, so we reached higher. We guided comets from the outer dark, hurling them down in storms of ice and flame.
Okay, I'll just trim that off there. Around here, where it's
higher. We guided comets from the outer dark, hurling them down in storms of ice and flame.
Yes, just making some adjustments here. Trim that audio down. Just trying to line things up a bit better. Having a look at the fade.
Mars, once a frozen desert, silent beneath a thin veil of air. For billions of years it waited, cold, empty, lifeless. But humanity dared to dream. We turned the sun itself into our tool, unfurling mirrors in orbit, casting blazing light onto the ancient ice. The poles trembled, then cracked. Gases long trapped beneath frozen caps.
There we have it. Wasn't too hard, was it? So now I can just export this video, and we can call it Terraforming Mars, for a better name. So we'll see. So click create. Within a couple of minutes, it'll turn up in my videos folder there, and then I'll just now here it is here, and I can either play it there or just download it to my hard drive. And that's all there is to it. And thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, put them below and I'll see if I can help you out. Cheers. Thanks for watching. If you've liked what you've seen, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this a thumbs up. And if you want to try out the same software I used to make this video, just click the link below.